What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Bluetooth audio not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, swipe down and from here turn on and off Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. So tap on this icon to turn it off and turn it on, and after that the Bluetooth audio will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the Bluetooth audio not working issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on apps, and then tap on manage apps. Now here look for the Bluetooth app, or you can go to the search bar to search for the app. Now go to its storage and then clear the cache memory of Bluetooth. So to clear it, tap on clear data and select clear cache, and then tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory, the Bluetooth audio issue will start working properly. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth audio not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.